Daybreakers Club, a lifetime learner and researcher. She just gets the facts. This will be the second speech out of the CC Manual, Organizing Your Speech. And the title is The Most Effective Exercise for Weight Control. Please welcome Tao Xu, the most effective exercise for weight control.
Good morning, Daybreakers.
Good morning.
What is the most effective exercise for weight control?
Keep your mouth shut.
Yeah, like Richard said, I thought that cardiovascular exercise was the most effective way to control the weight. Like everybody wants to have a cardio workout, running, the treadmills, the elliptical trainer, and also the bikes. But is it the most effective way to lose weight? No. Yeah. Recently, I read a book, The Axe Diet. It's written by David DiCecco. He's the chief editor of Men's Health. And in that book, it said weight training is the most effective way to lose weight. And today, I want to share this knowledge with you, why weight training is the most effective way, and including it in your workout will benefit you. So before we talk about weight training, let's take a look how our body burns fat. There are three main types of fat burn that throughout our body. The first type is called the thermic effect of eating. That is by digesting your food. That counts for 10 to 15% of your calorie burn each day. And the second type is by exercise motion. So that counts for 10 to 15%. Oh, the first one actually is 10 to 30%, and the second by eating is 10 to 30%. While the second is exercising, that you're doing exercise and going somewhere, that is 10 to 15%. And the third one is the biggest one. It is called basal metabolism. So this is the calorie burn during your rest, while you are asleep, while you are doing nothing at all. And that counts for 60 to 80%. Yeah, because your body is constantly in motion no matter what you do. Your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, and your cells are dividing. So that counts for 60 to 80%. So add them together, you will see that most of our calorie burn was spent in the physiological functions that we are not considering, like eating and sleeping while you are at rest. So in order to, the question is, we can rephrase the question of how you want to have the most effective exercise. It's a matter of how you increase, more effectively increase your basal metabolism so you can burn more fat while during your rest. So with that question, let's compare the low-intensity cardiovascular exercise such as jogging and walking and the weight training. So for low-intensity cardiovascular exercise, your body consumes the energy, and the first tier of energy source is the fat and the carbohydrates. After about 20 minutes you are doing the exercise, it depletes the first tier of energy source, and it goes to hunt around for the other source, such as the protein in your muscle. And with that, it will eat your muscle. So with prolonged time of cardiovascular exercise, it lowers your muscle mass, and that slows down your metabolism and makes you easier to gain weight. On the other hand, with weight training, you gain muscles, and you have a longer term of after-burn effect. After-burn refers to the additional calorie burn after your workout, in the days and hours after your workout. So researchers look two groups of people, one with the cardiovascular exercise, one with the weight training, and they found that for cardiovascular exercise, the afterburn effect lasts only 30 to 60 minutes, while for weight training, that can last for 48 hours. So that is 48 hours where you burn additional fat. And in the long term, both groups lose weight, but the group with cardiovascular exercise lose the weight, lose the fat and the muscle, and the second group with weight training lose only muscles, lose only fat. Yeah. So the strength training burns calories long after you leave the gym, while you are doing, while you sleep, and maybe all the way until your next workout. And the additional muscle you build during your workout will help you to burn more fat to maintain that muscle alive. So hopefully I convince you that weight training is important, and your basal, the message is your basal metabolism consumes most of your calorie, and weight training will help you jumpstart your metabolism. So next time you go to the gym, spend more time on the weight training, and that will give you the most effective workout.
Thank you, Tao. Please take a moment and write a note to Tao. I don't know, I'm a little suspicious. I think the football-watching husbands of America paid for that speech so that they could claim, I'm losing weight watching the Super Bowl.